Alright, so today we're learning trigonometry, and this is a very big topic that you need to know, especially for calculator paper. So the thing you want to use is something called Sohcahtoa, and this tells you exactly what you want to use to work out the side or angle. So you can see the triangle here. The long side is always the hypotenuse. The side that is opposite the angle is called the opposite. So if there's an angle here, which is x, then that's opposite, and the other one is just adjacent. So there are three different modes you can have: sine or sin, cos or cosine, or tan. And then you use Sohcahtoa so you know what sides you're dividing by and which ones you're using. So like sine, if you're using sine rule, you have to have the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So if there was a triangle with an hypotenuse and the opposite, you use sine rule. So then I'll write down the formula for each one of them here. And this thing was, you have to use this one. That. So then you will know which one you have to use if you're right. But then I'll go an example question and show you. It's a bit hard to explain, but I'll show you what actually you need to use it for. So here's a question. So we know an angle and a side, and we're finding h. So we are using tan because it's adjacent and opposite. So it's tan 30 equals 25 over h. On the h over 25. So the only thing you have to do is rearrange it. So you take the 25 over to the other side, so you times it, and if you put on the calculator, you will get the answer for h. So the answer is 14.43. Yeah, and that's to work out the side. However, to work at the angle, there is a different way you have to do it, which I'll show you now. So there's two sides here. It's going to be cos because we're using these two, the hypotenuse and the adjacent. So then you write down like we did last time, but this time you're working at angles. You just leave the angle source like an x, and that will equal adjacent over, so it's 16 over 25. You do the same thing now, but you rearrange it, but you want to take away the cosine, and it's the only thing you have to do is shift on the calculator, shift button on the top left. So you just shift cosine 16 divided by 25. So I'll write down for you. It's the shift when it goes up on the display. Look at that. In the bracket will come 16 divided by 25. And then when you get the answer, it's 50. So it's 50 degrees, 50.2 degrees. And that's that's it really for quite basic trigonometry. And you use this, it comes all the time in calculator. So yeah, thanks for watching again.